What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will address wiring LED headlights with a halo in a Jeep CJ. I will show you how I wired my halo lights in my CJ5. I had already completed this long ago, so I needed to do some backtracking and replicating to create this video. Also, my CJ is currently parked for the winter and connected to a battery tender, so you may notice that. However, this guide shows the complete process with all of the steps. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. I'm posting a new one at least once a week. Now, let's get into it. These are the specific headlights that I used. Beamnova QP002385. These specific headlights include a halo around the perimeter, which can illuminate either amber or white. However, there are many different brands available with the same or similar looks. You just need 7-inch round headlights with a halo for a Jeep. I see them all over Amazon and eBay. Compared to the standard headlight, the LED headlight is a drop-in plug-and-play replacement. The connection is the same and plugs directly into the Jeep harness. This set also came with an adapter to connect them to newer Jeeps, but I don't need the adapter. The headlights plug directly into my CJ harness. When installing the headlights, I did have an interference in the steel housing, with a boss on the back of the LED headlight. This was easy to rectify. I just drilled a mating clearance hole with a 1/2-inch drill bit and walled it out a little bit as necessary. It's a thin sheet metal, so it was no problem. That's about all there is to the headlights. Now let's get into the halo lights. In addition to the standard connector for the headlights, the LED headlights also have 2 additional loose wires. Both wires are power wires for the halo light. The halo light can illuminate amber or it can illuminate white. One wire delivers power to illuminate the halo amber, and the other wire delivers power to illuminate it white. This specific set has a green wire and a red wire. I grounded the headlight and jumped the green and red wires to the battery individually to see which is which. The green wire powers the amber light, and the red wire powers the white light. Next, the green and red leads need to be spliced into power wires. I used additional green and red wire, so it matched. The halo leads have female spade connectors, so I crimped male spade connectors onto the extension wires so they could connect. In my case, I decided to splice the white light into the parking lights, and the halo is white when the parking lights are on and when the headlights are on. I spliced the amber light into the turn signals, so they flash amber with the turn signals when the turn signals are active. I considered splicing the white halo light into a power source that is hot when the vehicle is running, so the white halo light would be on when the vehicle is on and off when the vehicle is off, like daytime running lights. You are welcome to do this. I still may in the future. At the time, I wanted it spliced with the parking lights, so that's what I did. Continuing on, I used wire extensions about 13 inches long. They need to reach from the parking light to the headlight. To splice into the Jeep wiring harness, I used T-taps. I also used some wire loom. Removing the parking light, I spliced the green halo wire into the green harness wire, and the red halo wire into the white harness wire. Make sure to splice the harness side of the connector, so your parking light can still be unplugged and removed. These were spliced using T-taps. The existing power wire travels through, and the new wire that is being spliced terminates inside. Press down the metal splice, and they are connected internally. Then fold over the clip to button it up. With this complete, I wrapped up the connections with electrical tape. Run the 2 wires through the loom and route up to the headlight opening. I ran some electrical tape around the spade crimp connections as well. Heat shrink would be better, but I only drive this in the summer, so I can live with it. From there, plug in your headlight and connect the halo extensions to the halo leads. Install the headlight bezel and trim, and you're all set. Now let's check out the results. When the parking lights are on, the halo is illuminated white. When the turn signals are activated, the halo flashes amber with the turn signals. So that wraps it up. That's how I wired my halo. You may want to run the white halo as a daytime running light, but the procedure is the same. You just need to locate the desired power wires. I think I'm going to change mine over in the spring. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. I'm posting a new one at least once a week. This video was a viewer request, so if you have any comments, requests, or suggestions, just drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.